Next, statement of the problem. Napakahalaga po nito. Tinatanong po ito ng mga panelists. Ano bang statement of the problem natin? The study will aim to provide in-depth description and understanding the lived experience and struggle of young street vendors about the study. And then yung title mo. Meron tayong 2 questions. Hindi lang ito po yung itatanong natin sa interview. Central questions po ito, naka-highlight lang. Okay? What have the participants experienced in selling their goods in the street? How have the participants benefit from the selling on the street every day? Okay? Assumption of the study. Assumption means palagay. Sasagutin mo lang yung statement of the problem. Scope and delimitation. This study will focus on the daily adventure of young street vendors